Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to E46 channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a backup camera yourself. So if you already have a touchscreen radio or display in your car, or if you already have installed it, why not? I only bought this for $15 and it is a pretty good quality. It's not the best, but it's not that it does really matter. So I'm going to show you step by step what you need and how you install the backup camera, how the connection works and everything like that. You need to unfasten or remove the plastic holders. There. Second, now that all the plastic clips are out, the only two screws that hold this rubber or plastic piece in place are these two screws. Make sure you disconnect the unlocker from the inside of the trunk and rotate that so it gets out of the way, and just like that. You can see that now we have access to the wiring on the back, like from the inside of the trunk. Before we go ahead, we're gonna have to remove this trim piece here, which is held in place by Torx screws, I think T35. That is out of the way. What I've done here, I have used the 3M sticker. So what you do, you just run the wires through this hole here and then you use the 3M tape to hold this in place. You don't need much force because the wires are gonna be very tight there, so they are gonna help to hold it in place too. I've never had any problem with this for like 7-8 months now. The only two wires that are connected to our backup camera are these two black wires, which I'm pulling back and forth. The wires that we run through the place where the existing wires for the trunk release button is. One of them, the yellow one, goes to your display, and the red one is the power that the backup camera gets. There is no way you can mess this up. The black wire on the other side only connects to the red wire, and that is the power source. And now you can see here there is the ground connection, and the red one, which is the power source, I have connected that to the reverse light. Okay, so whenever you shift to reverse and give power to the reverse lights, your backup camera get power too. So that's why this is the connection it is. And on the same spot we connect the power source for the wire that runs into the cabin. And there it is. Okay, so that is the wire that I ran through the, I don't know if I can pull it from there. That's the wire that I ran through the trunk lead, through this hole, the rubber grommet here, and on the original grommet as well, and it comes down here. The wire is right there and goes right to the bottom. And right here it goes under the seat, so I'm gonna pull the seat off to see you guys how I ran it through under there and where it goes after that. Okay, so to lift the seat up, you just grab it right under there and pull, and there are two clips. One is on this side right there and one is on this other side right here, and then the seat comes right out. And then here, so right under the seat there, it goes under this plastic piece here, from there under this piece here, so under this piece right there, and then under here, and then I just use my finger to tuck it under there, so I can pull it with my finger here to show you where it is. Okay, there, right there it is. And then I just push it with my fingers, tap it like that. There, front passenger seat, I did the same thing, so I just tucked it like all the way through this trim here, like under it with my fingers, just like that, and I came all the way up here, and from there I brought down the glove box. So I'm going to remove the glove box now to show you. The glove box is held in place by 5 screws, Phillips screws. One right here. You just drop the glove box under, and there you can see that is the, stuck this somewhere there. Okay, so that is the backup camera that comes all the way there. It runs through. That's how you run the backup camera, through the door panel trim all around, from the rear to under the glove box, and then from there to through the holes that are right here. I believe you can still see there. Anyway, so you can see there is some space that you can run the wire through, and from there you come behind the unit here, so you have to remove the unit. This pink wire here, it says reverse. If you want to install a backup camera, or if you have it already, that's where did I put that? So these wires come from the backup camera there, that goes into this. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it right now so I don't play around with it. There, that's the connector for that, and there we have the reverse wire that connects it. Okay, so I do have the solder here, but I've had this for like 6 months now, just like that, and I never had an issue. So I'm just gonna round it up with some electrical tape. If you want to be more professional, yeah, you gotta go the route to solder it, which I'm not really worried about because it have worked just fine for me, like in the past 6-7 months. It's time that we test them out. When I go to reverse, we should see light coming out of these 4 LED lights here, so we'll check that out in a second. There's the camera recording there. As soon as put the car to neutral, it's good. So again, and so that's good. So that is gonna be the video for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you find the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and might as well consider subscribing for more videos to come about the E46 chassis. Thank you, and hope you have a wonderful evening.